Let me ask you a very simple question. Out of every 100 leads your business generates, how many of them actually turn into paying jobs? Did you hesitate to answer? That hesitation, it's costing you money. See, most service businesses, they don't have a lead problem, they have a visibility problem. And it's the reason growth stalls long before potential actually runs out. Give me a minute, I'm gonna show you where revenue actually disappears. This right here is where most owners start guessing instead of leading. Most owners see activity and they assume progress. The leads are coming in, the phones are ringing, the quotes are going out, the jobs are getting scheduled. But activity is not truth. If you don't know where leads die, you don't know where your money's leaking. And trying to guess is the fastest track to staying at 5 or 6 figures. So what are some industry examples of this? Well, let's say you're an HVAC. The leads are marked as contacted, but they're never actually booked. For the roofers out there, it's the estimates were sent, but they were never followed up with. For your auto repair shops, your ROs were verbally approved, but never actually pushed through. In other words, busy dashboards hide broken pipeline. Here's what a lot of service businesses don't have. They don't have a clear line from lead to quote, to job, to invoice, to revenue. Instead, your data lives in different silos. You've got your CRM over on one side. You've got your scheduler over here. You've got your invoicing somewhere else. So when revenue dips, no one knows why. Maybe it's marketing. Maybe it's lead quality. Maybe it's sales follow-up. Maybe it's dispatch issues. Maybe it's pricing. But without clear visibility, every decision becomes opinion-based. And if you can't see the pipeline, you can't fix the pipeline. What does real visibility actually look like? True lead to conversion visibility means that you can answer the following questions without hesitation. Number 1, which lead source produces profitable jobs? 2, where do leads actually drop off? 3, how long a new lead takes to convert into a sold job. 4, which teams close the best. And 5, which services actually make you money. This is how operators stop guessing and start scaling with confidence. For you plumbers out there, it's seeing which emergency calls convert versus who's just price shopping. For your security system integrators, it's seeing where the quotes actually stall after the site visit. For you property management companies, it's tracking maintenance requests that turn into actual billable work. Visibility turns chaos into control. Every scalable service business tracks the same 5 stages. Number 1, lead received. Number 2, lead contacted. Number 3, quote or estimate sent. Number 4, estimate approved and job scheduled. And number 5, job completed and invoice sent. If even one of these stages is missing or inconsistent, your reporting lies to you. And when reporting lies, owners make emotional decisions as opposed to strategic ones. Remember, if it's not tracked, it's not real. Today, everyone wants AI forecasting. Everyone wants AI revenue predictions. Everyone wants AI staffing models. But AI is not going to be able to fix what you're not tracking. Without having clean lead to conversion data, AI has nothing to learn from. When implementing AI, visibility always comes first. Automation comes second, and intelligence comes last. And that order, it's non-negotiable. Remember, AI does not create truth. It depends on truth. Let me share with you one of the biggest separators in service-based businesses. 5- and 6-figure companies feel their performance. 7- and 8-figure companies see their performance. When you can see exactly where your revenue is leaking, you don't need to go out and get more leads. You don't need to go out and build more funnels. All you need to do is fix the funnel. And this right here is how growth becomes predictable and not exhausting. In other words, visibility can replace hustle, but only to a certain extent. If you want to stop guessing and you want to start running your business with clarity, click the link below in the description to download the Lead to Conversion Visibility Tracker. Here's everything you get with it. Number 1, a PDF framework. This explains the 5 lead to revenue stages for all service-based businesses. This works whether you're in plumbing, HVAC, auto repair, fleet maintenance, equipment rental, you name it. Inside that PDF, there will also be a KPI definition section. This helps you to set a standard for what contacted, quote sent, lead closed actually means. Because when you have standardized definitions, your reporting, it stays honest. There's also a weekly review SOP that you can run in 15 minutes to be able to see leaks before they even happen. And that way you're not waiting until the end of the month for surprises. Additionally, there's also an added Google Sheet to help with conversion tracking. This will help you to track leads by source, track stage drop-off, as well as see real conversion rates and revenue impact. This gives you truth across your entire pipeline well before you add any automation or AI into the mix. So go ahead and click the link in the description to download your free lead to conversion visibility tracker today.